We are from CSM2 department, and today's topic is on automatic water filling and security system for the HEN POULTRY. Regarding this, we have implemented many changes from our previous years, so that will be implemented many changes for the society for upcoming technology. So regarding this, first we have basically first one is the security system, and the second one is the automatic water filling. So according to coming to the security system, it will be helpful to find the thief in the poultry farm from wherever he comes. From the CCTV, it will be covered. And for the water filling technology, automatic water filling, we have implemented according to the physics formula, we need equal balancing of water in every cup, and next it will be automatically on or off this technology.
Components required to ultrasonic cells, ultrasonic sensor, Arduino, servo motor, buzzer, and the water feeding relay module, water pump, ultrasonic sensor are used in this project.
So the working principle of security system is we have to ultrasonic sensors and one buzzer will be placed and the audio and the distance of the ultrasonic sensors are 5 meters. So the servo motor will rotate 180 degrees. During the 180 degrees two automatic sensors will cover all over the poultry farm, and if someone coming to this the buzzers will the sensors will send the output and it will give the message to the buzzer and the buzzer will ring.
The second module is water filling. Then here the components are here, one is ultrasonic sensor and a DC water pump, and the delivery pipe and some storage glasses. So the basic principle is when the water is going into these tanks, and the water is going in these tanks, the UR sensor detects them and senses the DC motor to refill the water. So here the given range for the ultrasonic sensor is 3.5 centimeters to 6 centimeters. When the water is less than 3.5 centimeters, it automatically refills the water through the DC water pump. And due to this the water in all branches will be equal. That is this principle.
Before this, there were containers like containers for it required manpower to fill it. If there is no one, when it is empty, there will be nobody. It will require manpower to fill it. But understanding they for 24 hours with hands. That's why we need automatic water feeding for the hands. Thank you.